What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be checking out the two new guns. One gun got added and one gun got unvaulted. The one gun that got added is the new lock-on assault rifle. I am a little bit late.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
But it's okay. And the new weapon that got unvaulted is the red eye assault rifle. I think if I'm wrong, I'm sorry. But yeah, so we're going to be checking those out in today's video. So let's get straight into it. Alright guys, now I don't know where you can find the weapons. So we're just going to be randomly looking around until we find them. That is not the new weapon. That is just a regular pump and dump. I really don't know where they can spawn. I know that I played a couple of games and I know that the red eye is easier to find than the lock-on assault rifle. And the reason it's easier to find is because the lock-on assault rifle only comes in purple and gold that I heard of. And the red eye comes in everything. Except for Mythic, I'm sure. Ironic how they're both pumps. Wow, there's a lot of people. He is like running for his life. Where are you going, man? No. Forget about the challenge. Why did I almost die? Like, are we gonna analyze how I almost just died to a random person? Like, that was crazy. And I really, like, legit need it. Like, somebody has to be, like, being able to, like, you have to be able to buy it, right? No chance, no way. Like, I really need it. This absolutely sucks. Where? Yes, let's go. I finally got one of them. Please try and build that one again. Well, I thought he was. Well, I sure thought he was. That was my bad for being an idiot. I'm gonna try and kill him off. Please don't die. Yo, I'm actually horrible. That guy didn't have it either. You know, that kind of sucks. But it's called the MK Assault Rifle. I was definitely wrong on the name. But if you guys didn't know, this was the first person gun that we've ever got in Fortnite. I think it came out in chapter 3. I've been playing for a long time. I think it was like chapter 3. Let's go here. Oh, we have somebody. Hunch. Like a very big bull. Where are you? No way he's running away from me. I literally can't even test this out. Because everybody's just running away from me, bro. Okay, he has to be under them. Need the gun. Like, I physically just need it. That's all. That's it. Where are they, bro? Maybe it's in here. No, I need 750 gold. It's there. Does this break? No. I have to run around and find cash. Like, I have to run around and find gold, bro. This sucks. Oh my gosh, bro. It's right there. I literally see it. I need it. I need it. I need it. I need it. I don't care about the storm, bro. Where is this guy? Yes! 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 Let's go, lads! Oh my gosh, let's go. Let's go. The clutchest game ever. Let's go, bro. And I have enough. Where's the vending machine? Let's go, lads. Let's go. We can get it. We can get it. We can get it. Let's go. Please don't die with this. I really still want to test this out. Okay, okay. Alright, I literally just got the gun, relax. I'm fried, I absolutely suck. This is like probably the worst video I've filmed. No way, I literally just got the gun and didn't even get a chance to use it. I suck. Well, you guys can go play for it for yourself. Let me know how it is. Yeah. Real quick, please, I can't stress this enough. Please subscribe, bro. I'm trying to get to 1K, bro. Please, I'm begging you guys. And please just please show me some love, guys. Please like and sub. You know, comment down below what your favorite game is, what your favorite weapon in Fortnite is. You know, yeah. So, not gonna waste your time. See you boys. God bless.